I'm going to attempt to tell a story today. Some of it's based on facts and some of it's idealism. But in my opinion, it has the potential to be the greatest story ever told. Now, this might get a little distracting because I'm attempting to educate while I tell the story. Hopefully by the end of this, you will see that crypto is here to stay. And this might be your last chance for obtaining generational wealth this century. All right, questions. I'm taking questions.
Yeah, what sparked the present day cryptocurrency?
It was a crash in the market that ended up leaving people without a home or money to fall back on. It all started when federally backed mortgage companies like Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac started buying houses all across the country and giving them out for large down payments and high interest rates, including many people that couldn't even afford that mortgage. When so many people failed to pay on their loans, many banks stopped lending money until the market collapsed. A $700 billion bailout was needed to help struggling banks in the U.S. stay afloat. Shortly after the crash, a new type of money was made, one that didn't need government regulation or a centralized banking system to operate. This new money was called Bitcoin. Bitcoin was started by Satoshi Nakamoto, a fictitious character. Nobody knows if it's one person or a group of people, man or a woman. We do know that Satoshi was in the original white paper. White paper is just information about a cryptocurrency so everyone knows what it stands for. Satoshi created a first logo to your left and thought of Bitcoin as digital gold, something that would get more scarce as the years passed. Bitcoin was created to send money in a digital age and is known to be hacker-proof. It relies on computers constantly feeding new unknown keys to each other to keep the network secure. Satoshi was very active the first year of Bitcoin across forums and racking up over 1 million Bitcoins in miner fees, but haven't been heard from since 2010. So miner fees is rewards to the miners for using their computers to verify a transaction. That fee produces new coins in the market. This fee started high in 2009, but cuts in half every 4 years to keep the supply of Bitcoin scarce. It's called a halving. And when it's reduced, it pushes the price of Bitcoin upwards. The first ever Bitcoin purchase was in 2010. An early miner offered someone 10,000 Bitcoins online for 2 pieces from Papa John's. The Bitcoin was only worth $40 at the time, but he would constantly be mocked for buying the shittiest type of pizza. 10,000 Bitcoins was worth almost $800 million in 2021 and is now worth $177 million. He has said in the past that he has no regrets. How is Bitcoin an asset? Bitcoin is a blockchain that started with 1 million coins, with the max being 21 million by 2140. 19 million is already in circulation as of today. It's now 8 billion people in the world, and almost every government and the wealthiest people continuously buy Bitcoins and choose crypto as of late. Since BTC is the first coin in the market, it is deemed king. Most blockchains that came after Bitcoin didn't pump their market cap with US dollars, but with Bitcoin. That is why when it's down, the whole market is down. And when it's up, everyone wants to jump anywhere in the crypto market. Warren Buffett, known to be the greatest investor, once said that Bitcoin is worthless. He likes blockchain, but he can't get the buzz of Bitcoin. I just happen to think that it's the scarcity and living in an inflated market, seeing food, gas, and everything jump up in price constantly the last 70 years. No reward for holding your dollar. Why not choose Bitcoin or another crypto you believe in? It's proven to make your money work for you. Bitcoin started at the low end of the totem pole. Between 2011 through 2014, it was used on the dark web to buy guns and drugs and prostitution sites. Most people thought it was money just for something illegal. The influx of traffic did cause the price to move from $1 to $340, creating multi-millionaires for early investors. This is a Bitcoin chart from 2009 to the present day. It's worth mentioning that most people that hold Bitcoin or buy crypto didn't start buying until 2021. It did reach a high of $67,000, but it has been in a slump the past year. It goes up and it goes down, but this is a pretty high, beautiful looking chart that is not nowhere near finished or headed to zero, as you can see. Bitcoin is a blockchain. It has its own network and its own way of doing things. I started this video to talk about crypto and how it rose, but I focus a lot of time on Bitcoin. That's only because it's number one and it's the originator, it's the oldest. Some other blockchains are Binance, Cardano, Ethereum, XRP, and it's a lot more. I will be doing more videos in the future. I just want to say each blockchain is different, like Nike, Adidas, Timberland, etc. Separate entities. Sometimes the same tokens on different blockchains, but that's a token, not the chain. What makes a good cryptocurrency? Basically, I want people to know that it's a difference in cryptos. One is a coin and one is a token. A coin means you have your own blockchain, and you can do anything with your own blockchain, whatever it is that you want to do as a developer. But a token means that it's built on somebody else's blockchain. So what makes a good cryptocurrency is all about utility. What are you actually doing? Some is building a better blockchain. Some is for gambling. Some is for creating a safer space, as far as, making sure things is not scams and the contract is not flawed or anything such as that. So we will get more in depth later on as far as how to spot a crypto or what this crypto is about. But that is pretty much it as far as what makes a great crypto. Like, it just all depends on what you're actually looking at. Why should anyone invest their money into crypto? Crypto is the future of online activities. It's the things that ties everyone together. Facebook is now Meta, standing for Metaverse. Schooling and work is done from home. Sports is now esports. Crypto covers real estate, gambling, hospital visits, and everything that is anything. All it takes is a little research and seeing how long you want to wait until things finally come into the light. So it's a good time to invest now because it's just very early. All this is just now beginning, and you too can be at the bottom of the graph or the chart, and then a couple years from now you can be at the top of the chart. So I think personally that it's a good time to invest. Is at the low end of the time to buy in, and it's only going to get higher as the years go by. Life right now is all about technology and creating something better. Look at the phone, the car, the computer, the internet, and think about how it has grown since the last time you remember as first seeing this thing. The television. I used to have a floor model television. Now it's a flat screen hanging on my wall. Things is always changing and growing, and your money is no different. No longer needed in your wallet. I used to have money in my wallet all the time, and now I just have my credit card. But my credit card is not as secure as just being out there on the internet, online, locked in all the time. And that's only going to grow from there. I want to thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers so I can get more people involved into the cryptocurrency market. I will be doing more videos to touch into different blockchains and different ways to find them. Every day is a blockchain, not the blockchain, it's a crypto going 10 times through even 100 times in 1 week. And I want to help you find those, and I want to help you get invested. And I just want to get you more adapted to cryptocurrency market. Like, again, thank you for watching. It's been a pleasure.